Hi, I'm Brittany with Follow Up CRM. I'm going to walk you through how to use the new calendar feature to help streamline your process. Let's jump right in. You'll find the calendar icon in the top toolbar. Click that and it will take you right to your new calendar view. The purpose of this is to easily see the sales behaviors displayed on the calendar. So here's how you get those to show up. When you get a call for a service or a new bid, create a new file as you normally would by selecting New File under the File Data tab. Enter the job information, enter the appropriate sales status, and click Save. Now the file is created. Go ahead and assign people to these opportunities. Here we've assigned an estimator and an account manager. Now you'll be able to see on your calendar that this project is in their court. Head over to Sales Behaviors. The sales behaviors can be displayed as activities on your calendar. For example, if you'd like to see all the takeoffs scheduled on your calendar, then select the takeoff box. Then you'll select a day and a time for that takeoff. Select Save. Now we go back to our calendar view. You can set your calendar in day, week, or month view. Right now, we're in month view. Go ahead and select the people you want under Add Users. The users will show up with a color assigned to them. You can customize the color in the company settings under their personal profiles. Now select the sales behaviors that you would like to appear on the calendar. Select Filter Events, and now your sales behaviors or the activities you and your team have on the calendar show up. You can add any other items to your calendar by selecting Add Item. Enter the file data, select who it belongs to, select the sales behavior, and the date or date range it's for, and click Add to Calendar. You can save this view by selecting Save View in the top right, and return to this view in the drop-down whenever you'd like. You can also access your file by clicking right on it in the calendar. This will take you to your file where you can also push all of this info into your Outlook calendar by clicking on the calendar icon next to the sales behaviors. So there you have it, a team calendar that helps you simplify your process, manage your schedule, and work more efficiently.